How to hide call history and conversations on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click this settings icon here. After that, just scroll down until you find messaging, and now click this one. You will find it here, show call history in conversations. Disable it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.